Okay, so this is the second part of the class, okay? Now we're working again with what we call composition of functions, okay? So we talked about this on Tuesday, but I'm gonna do another example so we can be more clear, okay? So I got two functions. I got f of x equals 2x minus 3, and I got also g of x equals 4 minus x squared. So I'm asked to find the composition of f composite with g and g composite with f. Okay, so let's start by finding the composition of f composite with g. Okay, so I have to start by saying that I'm going to work first with f composite with g of x. Okay, so I'm going to do that right now. So in other words, it's going to be f, and I'm going to work with the g of x equation. So it's going to be 4 minus x squared. Okay? So we got that clear, and now we're going to be putting this g of x inside the x that I have in the f of x. So it's going to be like this. It's going to be 2, and I plug this inside that x, so it's going to be 2 parentheses 4 minus x squared minus 3. Okay, so let's do this algebraic problem or this order operation. So I'm going to apply the series property here. So it's going to be 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times negative x squared is negative 2x squared. Okay, so what can I do more? Well, I can get down to minus 2x squared, and I'm going to subtract a minus 3, and that is 5. So my final answer, is negative 2x squared minus 5. Okay, so I have it there. Okay, let's go again with this. Okay, so when I'm asked to find f composite with g, I'm trying to insert g, this equation or this function, inside this x. So this is what I did, right? I got 4 minus x squared, and I insert 4 minus x squared, that is my g of x, inside my f of x, that is 2x minus 3. So I insert that, and I apply this series property. Okay? So now we're going to do the opposite. Okay, I'm going to find g composite with f. Okay, so let's go to the part 2 of our problem. Okay? So now I'm working with g composite with f. Okay, so how do I do it? Well, it's the opposite, my students. It's the opposite. Okay, so I'm working with g f of x. Okay, so it's gonna be like this. Okay, I got now that g. Okay, g is going to be 2x minus 3. Okay, so I'm inserting that in this equation. So it's going to be, students, going to be 4 minus 2x minus 3, and that is squared. So I have to do that process right now because I got 4 minus 2x minus 3 squared. So I'm going to do it very quick. So it's going to be 4 minus, and I got 2 times the same thing. Okay? So now it's going to be like this. Okay? We have done this in class, so it's going to be the first by the first by the second one by the first. Okay? So it's going to be like this. Okay? It's going to be 4 minus 2x times 2x is 4x squared. Okay? 2x minus 3 is 6x, minus 6x, sorry. And negative 3 times 2x is also negative 6x. And last but not least, minus 3, or negative 3 times negative 3 is positive 9. So I'm going to check what like terms do I have. So I'm going to start putting this in the first one here. That is negative 4x squared. Okay? So I'm going to add my negative 6x minus 6x, and that's going to be negative 12x. And I can also add 9 plus 4, and that is 13. So there you have both x.